Hello everyone, welcome back. Next exercise in the basic algorithm scripting, truncate string. We have a task, truncate string that is given in first argument. If it is longer than the given maximum string length, which will be in second argument, return the truncated string with a triple dot ending. In that case, if str dot length is greater than num, in that case return str dot slice 0 comma num plus triple dot, else return str. This looks good. Let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.